Strengthening Faith 62. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on a celebrity and how they earned and spent their wealth. The Holy Quran has labeled those who are wasteful as the siblings of the devil. Chapter 17 Al-Isra, verse 27.
Indeed, the wasteful are brothers of the devils, and ever has Satan been to his Lord ungrateful.
The comparison has been made to the devil for several reasons. First of all, the people who spend wealth excessively on unnecessary things often do so in haste without thinking things through, meaning an impulsive spender. In fact, according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2012, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has warned that being hasty is from the devil, while thinking things through is from Allah, the Exalted. If a Muslim truly pondered over what they desired to purchase, they would not spend on unnecessary and extravagant things, as this is not a sign of a true Muslim. In addition, when one spends on unnecessary and extravagant things, they in most cases are only fueling the companies who make a profit by distracting people from right guidance, such as the entertainment industry, which is the devil's main and ultimate goal. Spending wastefully always distracts one from preparing for the hereafter, as this person dedicates much time to earning wealth, spending it wastefully and enjoying what they acquired. Distracting a Muslim from preparing for the hereafter is another goal of the devil. Preparing for the hereafter involves using the blessings one has been granted, such as wealth, in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Finally, the verse quoted earlier specifically mentions the ingratitude of the devil. In reality, the one who spends wastefully on unnecessary things does so because they too are ungrateful over what they already possess. If they possessed true gratitude, it would prevent them from acting in this manner. Islam does not prohibit one from spending on necessary things, it in fact encourages Muslims to do so. And even spending on lawful unnecessary things is acceptable, if it is done occasionally and without extravagance, as this is something which is disliked by Allah, the Exalted, and leads to wasting wealth. Chapter 6 Al-An'am, verse 141.
And be not excessive. Indeed, he does not like those who commit excess.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.